Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. On the occasion of this Mahashivratri, the most auspicious night dedicated to Lord Shiva, occurring on the Chaturdashi Tithi of the Krishna Paksh in the month of Falgun. According to Hindu Vedas and scriptures, this night is dedicated with the highest peak of cosmic energy. This new moon, that is Amavasya, has infinite connections with higher subconscious and consciousness. Meditation is the ultimate solution to connect with this cosmic energy to enhance your spiritual progress and alignment for your supreme consciousness. I would request to do this meditation minimum once or maximum 7 times from the period of 11 pm to 4:30 am of 27th. This is according to your availability and flexibility. The more you connect with Lord Shiva, infinite wisdom, karmic blockages are being cleared, and you invite divine grace into your life. So let's get ready for the sacred meditation of this Mahashivratri. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Light a ghee diya or essence to purify the energy. Keep a Shivlinga or an image of Lord Shiva before you. Sit in a comfortable position, preferably in a cross-legged position with straight spine. This is very important. Make sure whenever you do this meditation, you should sit in 90 degrees with the divine energy of the Mother Earth. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Repeat this again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, chant loudly. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Parvati Pate Namaha. Om Parvati Pate Namaha. Om Parvati Pate Namaha. Visualize a golden light descending from the cosmic realism, surrounding you with Shiva and Parvati's blessings. Feel them around. Feel this light purifies your aura, removing negativity and preparing you to receive divine energy. Gently close your eyes and bring awareness to your breath. Imagine your breath merging with the cosmic rhythm of this universe. Slowly focus on your breath. Inhaling and exhaling practice. When you inhale, feel Shiva's filling you. And when you exhale, let go of all worldly distractions. Visualize yourself sitting at the sacred Kailash Parvat, surrounded by an eternal glow. In the center, Lord Shiva is seated in deep meditation, his aura radiating infinite peace and power. Goddess Parvati, adorned in divine grace, sits beside him, embodying love, devotion, and strength. Visualize you are lucky enough to witness this on the sacred place of Kailas Parvat. Slowly imagine a powerful blue energy formed at your third eye, that is Ajna Chakra, which is in between your eyebrows. This is the divine energy of Lord Shiva, pure and transformative. Let this energy expand, activating your inner wisdom, intuitions, and higher consciousness. With every repetition, feel Shiva's energy dissolving all your fears, doubts, and karmic burdens. You are now in complete surrender, bathing in blissful silence of Shiva's consciousness. Shiva represents pure consciousness and Parvati presents Shakti, the cosmic energy that activates all creations. Now visualize the divine couple into single illumination, Ardhanarishwar, in the form of Ardhanarishwar, half Shiva, half Parvati. Feel the masculine and feminine energy within you coming into perfect balance. Your mind becomes still like Shiv, while your heart radiates into love like Parvati. The divine alignments open the doors of spiritual manifestation, ascension, and inner peace. The golden light is now from the Ardhanarishwar into your Sahasra Chakra, that is your crown chakra, just above your head, showering divine grace upon you. However, you desire spiritual growth, abundance, healing, or love, offer it to Lord Shiva and Parvati with pure devotion. Mentally chant Om Reem Namah Shivaya. Om Reem Namah Shivaya. You may continue this chanting for 108 times after the meditation as well. Feel the energies settling within as divine blessings manifest in your life. Gently Bring awareness back to your body. Rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes and bow down in gratitude to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Mentally affirm, I am blessed by the cosmic energy of Shiv Parvati. I walk the path of truth, wisdom and divine grace. Slowly open your eyes. Sit in silence for a few moments after resuming from your activity. Perform this sacred meditation once or throughout the night. Minimum 7 times is to be done. You will be evaluating your consciousness, receiving divine protection and open pathways for prosperity, health and spiritual enlightenment. Om Namah Shivaya. May Shiva's grace bless you with immense prosperity, health and spiritual enlightenment this Mahashivratri. Thank you, thank you, thank you.